Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear BuzzCast cache. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. Scroll down until you find BuzzCast option. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then select Clear Cache option. And then tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear BuzzCast cache. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.